Assalomu alaykum hammaga do'stlar. Bugungi videomiz siz uchun albatta foydali bo'ladi degan umiddaman. Bugungi videomiz Prime 2 ni qanchalik test qilish haqida bo'ladi. Video davomida qanaqa test qilish va win streak ushlashni o'rgatib boraman. Birinchi o'rinda o'zingizga komanda topishingiz kerak, 2 ta и o'zingiz bilan 3 ta. Birinchi o'rinda mana shu yangi kelgan kartada ovqat pishirish kartasida o'lishlaring kerak, takoy yutqizish kerak 3 marta. Video davomida ko'rishingiz mumkin. Уже birinchi yutqizish bo'ldi, ikkinchisiga va uchinchisi. Undan keyin nima bo'lishini keyin aytaman, короче. Videoni 2x ga qo'yib qo'yaman. Tezroq ko'rishlaring uchun. Уже mana 3 ta o'yinda yutqizib bo'lganimizdan keyin futbol kartasini qo'yamiz va futbol kartasida bizga albatta Master nomli botlarni tashlab beradi. 1300 yo 1500 oralig'ida botlar tushish ehtimoli kam. Lekin bizga masterli botlarni tashlab beradi. Bu bilan menimcha juda ham bir tezda Prime 2 qilib olish mumkin. O'zim ham Cold'ni 20 win streak bilan Starnova'ni 45 win streak bilan Prime 2 qilib qo'ydim. Video davomida ko'rishlaring mumkin.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
There's no way that you make it. Maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
Mana ko'rib turibsizlar do'stlar, Prime 2 qilish bu bug bilan easy bo'lib qolgan. Lekin bu bug ketishiga hozirgi vaqt bilan qaraganda 1,5 kun qoldi. Shuning uchun videoni ko'rishlaring bilan tezda komanda topib, bug ketgungacha Prime 2 qilib olishlaringni maslahat beraman. Hammaga omad. Sog' bo'linglar, salomat bo'linglar.